This is my mama's makeup and crochet channel.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today I will share with you a few items that I bought from Shopee. These are arts and crafts or hobby items that I'm hoping to enjoy soon. I've been working on my commissioned crochet projects for 4 months now, and I still have a lot to make. My calendar is fully booked until December, so yeah, work. Anyway, I'm planning to take a break after that. I won't be accepting orders till next year, maybe February or March. I love crocheting, of course, but I still take a break from time to time. Like right now, even when I'm asleep, I think I'm still crocheting in my dreams. So yeah, time to take a break. Well, after these commissioned projects. Well, during my break, I'll be catching up on my to-be-read pile of books and doing other stuff with the kids, of course. Also, I'm thinking of trying these things right here. So let's start off with the first one. First, this 1,000 pieces puzzle. Okay, so it's still sealed. Let's open it up. It says here that the finished size is 30 centimeters by 42 centimeters. So I chose this picture or pattern right here. This is ancient bookshelf, of course, because I love books. And when I'm done with this, I'll frame it and put it in the office or craft room. So here are the puzzle pieces. So very tiny. So yeah, I hope I get the drive to do this. Good luck to me. Okay, this is only 283 pesos or a little less than $6 US. Up next is these diamond painting kits. I bought two. Okay, one moment. Okay, so each kit is 192 pesos, a little less than $4 US. Here, this is one of the patterns I bought. This is a house on a teacup. Okay, and the other one is this girl here with yarns, of course, because I love yarns. Okay, so there it is. They're kind of like cross stitch. You're probably familiar with that, of course, but this, instead of doing cross stitch on the fabric, you put a gem or bead on the canvas. So here are the beads, and there's a number or symbol assigned to a bead color on the pattern. There are also squares with numbers or symbols, so you just put the corresponding bead color to that square. Okay, so yeah, like cross stitch, like I said. And by the way, there are two types of diamond painting kits. There's partial drill or the full drill. I have the full drill there. Okay, so the full drill means that you have to put beads on the whole canvas to form the picture. On the partial drill, you only need to put beads on a certain area. The rest of the canvas is already a clear picture or kind of like a painting. Like this one I have seen on Shopee. Swan on a lake surrounded by flowers, you know. So anyway, the part where you only need to put beads on that pattern is just the part of the swan. I mean, just the swan. The rest of the canvas is already a colorful painting. So you have to check that one out so you can choose which one you actually like to make. I chose full drill because I want a full working area. Lastly, this paint by numbers kit. There. Okay, so this is only 219 pesos, so a little over $4 US. Just like diamond painting, there's this pattern on the canvas with numbers. Yeah, that's why it's called paint by numbers. And here are the paints, okay, with numbers, of course. So you just have to use the paint corresponding to the number on the canvas. Okay, so here, here it says number 3, so you have to use the number 3 color paint right there. So simple as that. Well, those are all the items in this haul. This is just a small haul, obviously. I really hope I'd be able to do this project soon. I will put the Shopee links of all the items down below in the description box so you can check them out if you're interested. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye!
Like if you like this video, subscribe if you love it, share if you care. Thank you for watching. Bye!